I got into woodworking as a teenager. My father was a shop foreman for a local cabinet company. I truly enjoy and love woodworking. I love running an operation. We've got a really solid team. I think that's one of our major strengths. We have integrity here. We say we're going to do something, we're going to do it.
We focus primarily with education, higher ed, athletic facilities, hospitals, corporate interior upfits. We partner mostly with general contractors in the area.
Really cool projects that I've never thought in a million years we'd ever be able to do. Our history at Modular started in 1994. From the days of manual measuring and laying out, the jobs are getting larger and the schedule's getting tighter. So we had to make a decision, and for us, going automated seemed like the solution for us.
Commercial millwork is all about schedules and hitting your dates and being on time. This significant investment allows us to hit our dates, providing a strong customer experience with our partners.
Our team here, they were struggling with doing their day-to-day job, and after we implemented the new equipment, it's a night and day difference. Finding that next generation to develop into skilled craftsmen is a challenge. These machines are easy to learn, easy to operate. I don't necessarily need somebody who's been building cabinets for 5 years. If you have a guy call out sick, which I actually did about 2 weeks ago, he was gone for 2 weeks, it was easy to implement another operator. Our operator, our CNC operator, is also our saw operator. He'll run his batch on the CNC and simultaneously run a batch on the saw. We've got the N-500 with the self-loader and offloader. The advantage on the offloader is it's just time. I'm running time trials on work orders and sheets. We've gained an extra 4 minutes per sheet. Just made sense. We decided we needed some machines robust enough to run multiple shifts. Ultimately, that's why we chose HOMAG.
We're super excited for all that it's going to help us with in terms of quality and throughput.
Training with the technicians that came in, they stayed longer than they even needed to make sure that my team understood how to operate maintenance and run the machines. Another decision for us to move to HOMAG was the service. We've struggled over the years having good service from our machine manufacturers, which in turn has put me in here fixing equipment on weekends. It's just been a struggle. I just wanted a seamless machine company that can come in and help us when something happens, because it will happen, and when it does, it's the response time.
Every step of the way they've been there helping work with us, picking out which models to introducing us to financing partners, and then even with the install. It's been a great experience and a great partnership.